SCMP says in its report China's first homegrown aircraft carrier finishes maiden sea trial amid speculation Asia's most advanced destroyer will be next. Yesterday, China's first homemade aircraft carrier concluded its maiden sea trial on Friday. According to a Chinese military source, China now is building 4 Type 055 destroyers, with 2 designed to be imperial bodyguards to the first homegrown carrier in high seas. But China is going to build more of the destroyers to meet the Navy's increasing demand for modern warships. With China set to field 4 carrier battle groups by 2025 fielding the country's most capable destroyer warships, the Navy will require at least 8 Type 055 ships by that time. It is likely that further Type 055 warships will be commissioned for operations outside the country's carrier groups, potentially to replace some of the country's older destroyers. China appears to have had far greater success in developing modern destroyers than rival naval powers, with the United States and to a lesser extent Russia both struggling with their own programs. The Type 055 is rivaled in its sophistication only the American Zumwalt-class destroyer, but the former program is likely to be a far greater success and a more cost-effective weapons program compared to the latter. The Zumwalt-class destroyer program has been terminated with only 9% of initial orders met due to severe performance shortcomings and cost overruns, leaving the U.S. Navy with just 3 of the notoriously unreliable next-generation platforms. The Zumwalt's cost of over $7 billion per unit. And flaws including breakdowns at sea and underperforming weapons mean even the 3 ships which were not cancelled are unlikely to prove capable enough to match the Type 055. With Chinese naval armaments program advancing far faster than those of its American rival, it is unlikely once the U.S. loses qualitative supremacy at sea that it will be able to regain this advantage. The Type 055 is therefore set to be the first of many Chinese destroyers with a distinct technological and qualitative advantage over U.S. rivals.